What up, guys? CTK here. Today's agenda, I just want to let y'all know what we're doing today. We decided, or I think I decided more than she decided, but I think she just went along for the ride. But I think she's probably excited about doing it anyway. But we're going to go get my son Zeke, and then after that, we are headed to the Columbia, South Carolina Riverbank Zoo. So we're going to keep y'all updated. It's going to be a fun ride. It's going to be a fun adventure today, and I figured I'd just let y'all know what we're doing today, so y'all could join us for the ride, join us for the show, and just y'all have fun with us and get to see the animals and all the stuff that Riverbank Zoo in Columbia, South Carolina has in store for us. I think they have, what was it, 1,700 species? 1,700 different species. We went to Asheboro Zoo, but I wasn't really impressed. I mean, they have less species, I believe.
It's just longer.
It's just a bigger, it's a lot bigger zoo. It's a lot longer, like walking and everything. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that because they have a lot more space for their animals than the Riverbank Zoo has. They don't have quite as much open space for the animals, so it's really understandable because, but you know, they do have, at the Asheboro Zoo, they do have a lot bigger animals than the Riverbank Zoo has. So they have like the elephants, and they have like the lions, and you know, polar bears and giraffes, and you know, really big. They have a lot of really big animals, so they have to have really big, you know, places for them to just, you know, have fun and enjoy. But anyway, we're gonna go do this. So I'll go get him, and then I'll get back in touch with y'all in just a little bit. Maybe I'll click back in halfway there or something, because it takes like 2 hours to get there. I hope everybody's having a great Friday, and we will holler at you guys later. ZTK out. What up, guys? We're still on the road. We're almost there. We've got it like I don't know how long. But anyway, we're pretty close. Of course, I got Chris is driving. I don't usually let her drive, but somehow she ended up driving. But we're rolling in her awesome little Hyundai Sonata, and I got my man Zeke back here. What's up, Zeke? Say what's up. You can go see the animals. You can go to the zoo. You can go see some turtles and some snakes and some fish and some giraffes and a bear. Huh? Oh, an alligator. You want to see an alligator? You're going to have to talk louder. I can't hear you. Kitty cats? Yeah, you want to see some tigers? Yeah, and some lions. Well, you can tell my son is so... What? See what? I don't understand. Did you say cows? I'm not seeing no cows. We're going to the zoo. You can see cows at the farm. You're gonna see zebra. See an elephant. You gonna see an elephant and a zebra? You wanna hold it? I don't know if you can hold it. Maybe they have. Like you wanna see some. What else they got? You wanna see some monkeys? You gonna see some birds? Maybe they have some birds. We can feed some birds. Feed some birds. Maybe they have those little parrots. You can feed some sugar water. Some Electus parrots, or not Electus parrots. What are those little parrots called? Lorikeets. You can feed some lorikeets. Maybe if they have them. I don't know if they have them. I think they do.
I can't show us to hold this.
You can't hold it. You want to hold this? Yeah, but if I let you hold it, you're gonna mess up my video. Say hello to everybody on YouTube. Say hey, everybody. Say hey, my Mad Bio. Say hey, Boxing Boa. He's still trying to get his words right, but we'll see you guys in a little bit. What up, guys? We're here at the zoo, so we're just about to walk in, but I wanted to show you the outside part. Check it out. pretty neat. Everything. So we're about to go in right now, and then we're gonna start doing some pictures and everything and all that stuff. Zeke, hey. You ready? Say hey, everybody.
Hey, bye.
Let's go to the zoo. You ready to go in?
Let's go in.
All right, let's go. Check it out, guys. We're here with the sea lions. Zeke, you see the sea lions? See them? Let's see if we want to come by right fast before we cut this clip. Look, come here, wait a minute. Right there, look. Maybe you want to come by right fast before we cut the clip. You see it? No, come here, over here. Look, here it comes. Here it comes. Look, there it is. It's back there. We want to come over here. Is it going to come over here? There it is. Look at that. Let's walk over this way. Let's go over here.
He's about 650 pounds. He's a pretty big animal. So the smallest one, her, that little cutie. The one that's the lightest in color. Her name's Annette. She's the most petite. She's not necessarily the youngest, but being a female, she's just a lot smaller than the big boys are. But if you count, it's hard to when you're swimming all around like this. There's 6 of them total. So we have 1 barber seal and then 5 sea lions. Go ahead.
Alright, we'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, I just want to do a short clip of this whole this enclosure. Check it out. Complex. Y'all, let's go have some fun. Come on, come on. This way.
Rattlesnakes.
September rattlesnake. Holly.
There's some fishes down there.
Yeah. This is so. Oh, he's back here in the back. See him back there?
They call them hellbenders because they can work, like their bodies are on the rocks, like camouflage, and like a lot of the
natural
fishermen
habitat.
can't see them.
What is that, Zeke?
Water.
Okay, yeah.
Come
on, Zeke. I'll just say you want to play. We're going to stop and start clips instead of like that long clip we do. Check it out, guys. It's the snakes that are local in my area. It's the copperheads. One of the venomous snakes that are from around here. Beautiful animal though. They're very beautiful. Very beautiful. I like that they're so like just chilling and letting you be able to video them and take pictures of them. It's really cool. We got some other ones here. Eastern Diamondback. This is really good shot. Check it out. You just can't get like this close to a venomous snake usually. It's just chilling in there. And then you got the canebrake rattlesnake back there in the back. But it's cool that he's up here just chilling so we can just get a good shot of him.
He looks so mean.
Of course, everybody knows what these are. These are corn snakes.
Oh, Papa. Wait. There he is. Look at him. Oh,
He's checking us out. He's like, what's up?
Oh, it's a pop. Oh, good.
It's cool. They actually got little baby Galapagos tortoises here. Check them out.
And turtles. Oh, look at that turtle eating.
Little guys. Check it out, guys. This is a Grand Cayman blue iguana. Really awesome. Check out the Gila monsters. They really got them in good enclosures. Like you can really see them really, really good. I want to show you this one sitting over here chilling. He's just chilling over there in the corner. So check it out, guys. Madagascar hissing roaches. That's a lot of roaches in there. That would be one happy bearded dragon getting to eat some of those bad boys. Check it, guys. Red spinning cobra. Look at that. That is freaking awesome. Dang. Aruba Island rattlesnake. Of course, you can't really see them, so. Alright, guys, so check these guys out. Eyelash vipers. They're just right. Check that yellow one out. Isn't that awesome? Got a couple different phases in there. There's a green one, and that one is like, it's got red, green, pink. Just a bunch of different colors, as you can see. Look at that. And then you got that yellow one, and then there's the green one right there. That's awesome. Let's see if I can get a close up. It don't fuzz out any. Sweet. Beautiful emerald tree boa. Gorgeous. Look at this one. Now we're in the seawater, or the Atlantic and Indigo Pacific part. There's, you can see Atlantic. This is the type of fish that's in the Atlantic Ocean. That's a triggerfish. That's a damsel. I know that. I know a lot about saltwater fish because I used to have a bunch of saltwater tanks. There's a moray eel, I'm pretty sure. There's a tang back there. There's a tang. I don't know exactly. There's a queen trigger. That's a queen trigger right there. I know that for a fact.
Look at the big one, see?
Flying fish, it looks like right up there. Oh, that's a dory.
Look at this thing. It's got little teeth.
Yeah, it's a trigger. That's a Niger trigger. Niger trigger. I had one before. There's a self-in tang.
See that little dory fish?
They call it blue surgeon. That's what the dory fish is. It's a blue surgeon. Down there, they got a coral shark, or they call them bamboo sharks. There's a shark, a black tip. I love these guys. They're in an invasive species though now, because I think they're in a part of Florida that they shouldn't be or whatever, and they're like, they have no known natural predators, so they're kind of like hurting other fish populations because they're so, like, their spines at the top of them are venomous. And there's a funny story about that, because I used to have one, and I actually accidentally got stung by the top of the spine right there. I stuck my finger on one by accident, and I learned that their venom is pretty potent, but it's not too bad. I didn't go to the hospital or anything. I just pretty much just suffered through it and just till the pain subsided. But it was pretty rough sting. So this is a coral reef that they got. There's a butterfly fish, some awesome soft corals. It's like some bubble corals, some hard corals, some more soft corals, some sea anemones, and some clownfish. Little Fiji damsel, tomato clowns. I'm pretty sure that's what they are. Little sea urchins and some shrimp, cleaner shrimp. So that's not cleaner shrimp. That's one of those scarlet shrimps, I think. There's some cool little corals. Let's go ahead and look over here. Oh, a bunch of little chromuses. Oh, look at this signature on the tank. Butterfly fish. And a maroon clown. That's a maroon clown. Cool. I love saltwater tanks. There's a xanthus. A lemon peel angel, or I think that's what it is. It's copper band. I don't know, that's not copper band, but those are butterflies. I can't remember the exact name of them. So there he is. It's a nice little beautiful tank back there. Back there in the very back, see that starfish? That's a chocolate chip starfish. That's what they call it. Let's go over here. This is cool. It's a little seahorse, and you can see the little like noodles hanging out of the water there. They're like little snakes. Little spotted garden fish. You see them, they're really awesome looking. I love them, they're neat. They look like little snakes sticking out of the sand. It's so awesome. Look at them. Bubble tipped anemone. And they got some clownfish in here. This is probably, I would think this would be a breeder tank. That's probably a pair, those clownfish right there. Check out this. It's awesome. But they look great. Yeah, them clowns got some age on them, you can tell. Pretty big tank. I'm gonna check it out. There's that black tip.
What?
Tank, triggers. There's a trigger. Groupers. There's a trigger. I know that trigger. I can't remember the name right off the top of my head. It's a weird name. Huma maybe. Angel. See the angel? They're like Hippocaris or something like that. Hippocaris, but I can't remember how to say it.
I see
I'm getting a picture of this guy. He'll come down. There he is. Check him out. Oh my gosh, look at him. Come here, guy. Look at this guy. He's so neat. He reminds me of a cowfish. I can't keep a tab on him, but he's really neat. There's one up there. Yeah, look, they're awesome. That's some awesome sea anemones. And if you look on the rocks, they got tons of little baby sea anemones all over the rocks. The whole thing's full of them. Giant sea anemones. Check that starfish out. It's a monster. Sea urchin. Down in the bottom corner, they got little sharks in there. Check this guy out.
Literally just trying to show off part of the story.
Oh.
Look at him.
What's he doing, Zeke? King of the throne right there, chilling.
Yeah. Like, would they attack you if you went in their cage? Yeah. I think so. He said.
What up, guys? ETK here. Just a recap for what we've seen so far, what I've videoed so far. Some saltwater fish, some snakes, some reptiles, sea lions. Short clip of some gorillas. We're having a good time. Zeke, you having a good time? Yeah? You having a good time? So we're going to go check out some elephants, and after that, I don't know, but we're just going to keep having a good time, and I'll post some of this later today once we're done. I can't do it now because it won't load. It'll take forever to load, and it'll burn up all the battery I have in this phone, which is a terrible phone. But she did do, she got a video on her phone, so we'll upload it later. It's going to be called, they had a bunch of seal lines, like a seal line show for us. And she did a video on her phone, but I'll upload that as like seal line show or something like that. And we'll see that later today too. So y'all have a good one, and we'll keep posting. Some golden lion tamarins. My phone ain't that great, so I'm doing the best I can with it, guys. Let's go see what else they got. So we got here just on time. They're actually going to feed this sloth up here. How lucky is that? But I don't know if he's going to even move. They're so lazy. Look at them. Just sitting there. Just put food in here for them, and they're just lazy. Look, there's one up there. Lazy bums. She's actually hanging her food up. Look, she's trying to feed them. Look. Come on, guy.
Come on, Pa.
Don't be a bum. Do something constructive. He's like, nah, man. He's like, nah, I don't want that. Nice try, though.
It's funny, they sit in little baskets.
Nah, I don't want that either. He's like, man, nah, I don't want none of this. Leave me alone. I'm sleeping. He's like, what? What? I don't want it. No. I think she gave up, guys. That sloth didn't want nothing. He didn't even want to be bothered. He's like, forget you. Leave me alone. But I'm gonna stop it right here. And she's gonna try to feed this one. Let's see if we can catch a view. He's at. Is he gonna eat? Did she take it back? Getting them guys to do anything is ridiculous, I guess. That's the reason they're sloths. But I'm gonna stop it here, I guess. She's gonna sit here and try to feed them, but pretty awesome. So we took a thing of red ruff lemurs at Alligator Adventure, but here is these guys. Hopefully they'll start howling or something. It'd be awesome. Look at this guy hanging upside down. Just chilling. Now this is a close encounter with an elephant. Like, we're literally just a few feet away from this elephant. Check this guy out. I'll zoom up a little bit. I don't have to zoom that much at all. There's one over here, chilling. Cool. Awesome. Elephants look so dirty. Look like he's got like mold on his back or something. It's crazy. It's weird. Look at that. This mud and dirt they have. They love it. What's up, dude? And there you have it. Elephants. So check this guy out. A Malayan tapir. It's a weird looking animal. He looks like a big pig. What's up, guy? That's a big, look, that's a big, big guy. Fat. Malayan tapir. Yeah, this ain't even. Alright guys, so we're back. It was a great time. We're sitting outside right now. And there's a sign right there. But you can see the lines in the background. Zeke, did you have a good time? Look, did you have a good time? Did you have fun? Tell everybody, say I had fun. You had fun. So Zeke had fun. We all had fun. We'll post all the videos. I'll combine this one up with the little short takes I took of all the things, and then we'll make it one good clip. And then Chris has got a few on her phone that we'll have to put separately. But I hope everybody's had a good day. We're heading back home. It's about a 2-hour drive, and I hope y'all are doing great. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye. You see that big alligator and that turtle on top of that alligator? What's it doing? Are they in the water? What are they doing? Look at that mouth. Look right there. Is that an alligator? It's too much reflection. We got some other ones here. Eastern Diamondback. This is really, really good shot. Check it out. You just can't get like this close to a venomous snake usually. It's just chilling in there. And then you got the canebrake rattlesnake back there in the back. But it's cool that he's up here just chilling so we can just get a good shot of him.
He looks so mean.